Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, today we will have a test for you to do here in this IFP, interactive flat panel. I want you to do the test here, but before you choose the choice, before you choose the answer, you have to read this, okay? Understand? You have to read the test first. Yeah? C blank work at 9 o'clock. So, I will give you an example. What is the answer of C blah 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 works at 9 o'clock? Now, if you choose wrong, it will explain here. You, they, blah, finish. Okay, he, she, it finishes. Understand? So, if you use we, you, they, you will choose finish. But if the subject is he, she, it, you will choose finishes. Understand?
Yes.
Yeah, so when the verb ends in CH, SS, SH, or X or ZZ, we add ES. Understand? Okay, now next test. Let's do it, Calvin. Choose. Read this. Read loudly. Read this loudly, Calvin.
Choose a sentence with the correct
Yeah. Choose a sentence with the correct word order. Do you always sing in the shower? Do you sing in the shower always? Do you sing always in the shower? Do always you sing in the shower? Which one is correct? Okay, good. Next. Who's next? Afiel. Read loudly, okay? My brother, blah blah blah, driving big cars. Which one is the correct answer? Enjoy, enjoys, enjoys, enjoys. Okay, right. If the subject is I, we, you, they, you choose enjoy. If the subject he, she, it, you choose and enjoys. When the verb ends in a vowel plus y, we just add s. Okay, next. Johnny. Yeah, read. I blah 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 much about football. Which one is the correct answer? I doesn't know, I doesn't know, I don't know, or I don't know. Yeah, wrong answer. I, John, look here. I, we, you, they don't know. He, she, it doesn't know. Understand? Okay, next. Who is next? Kendrick. Okay, Kendrick, start. Yeah. Read. He usually blah 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 friends, but now he blah 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 Italian. Now, which one is the correct answer? Speaks or is speaking? He usually speaks, or he usually is speaking, or he is usually is speaking and speaks Italian, or he usually speaks speaks French, but now he speaks Italian. Which one is the correct answer? Look, the subject here is he, okay? Yeah. Which one is the correct answer? Yeah, you're wrong. The correct answer is speaks. He usually speaks French, but now he is speaking Italian. Look at here. General meaning, please down. Yeah. General meaning is present simple. simple. But at the moment, right now, we use present continuous. Okay. Next is can what? Okay. Your result is 20%. Okay, we will continue to next test. Now test 2. Can what? He blah 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 must time at the gym. Yeah. Which one is the correct answer? Doesn't spend, don't spend, doesn't spend, or don't spend. Look at the subject here is he. Okay. So which one is the correct answer? No. Look here and can what? I, you, we, you, they. We use don't. Okay. But if he see it, we use doesn't. Understand? Yeah. Okay. Next. Who's next? Lionel. Okay, Lionel. Next test. Read loudly. Choose the correct word order. Okay. Which one is the correct answer? Does often still write to you? Or does she often write to you? Or does she write often to you? Or does she write to you often? Which one is the correct answer? Okay. The correct answer is does she often write to you? Okay, good, Lionel. Look here, everyone. Do or does plus pronoun or name plus adverb or frequency plus adverb. Okay, plus verb. So this is the question sentence. Does start from does, and the subject is she. Often is something that you do in many times. Okay, and write to you. Understand? Now, who is next? Wilson. Okay, Wilson. Yeah, please read loudly. We often blah 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 to the cinema. Which one is the correct answer? Go, goes, or are going? Oh, you're wrong. Look here. Okay, please sit down, Wilson. Look here. If the subject is I, we, you, they, we use go. If the subject is he, she, it, we use goes. Okay, understand? Are you going is the present continuous, which is incorrect here. Okay, so Wilson choose the correct answer. The speaker talks in general. Now, who is after Wilson? Okay, Miska, come to the front and choose your answer. Yeah. He, blah, 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 $1,500 or $1,500 for his apartment every month. Which one is the correct answer? Pay, payers, payers, or pays? Okay, correct. So I, you, we, they, we use what? Pay. He, she, it, we use pays. When the verb ends in a vowel, Y, we just add S. Okay, enough. Now we will continue the test, but now I will end the record. Understand? Okay. Good morning, everyone, and see you on the next lesson. Goodbye.